coffee. It's more than just a drink. It's a ritual, an experience, and sometimes the key to starting your day right. But not all coffees are created equal. Today we're diving into the absolute best coffees you need to drink at least once in your life. From the highlands of Ethiopia to the remote mountains of Colombia, each region brings its own flavor, its own story. Let's explore the world of the finest coffees and why they deserve a place in your cup. First up, Ethiopian Yirgacheffe, often called the birthplace of coffee. With its delicate floral notes and a hint of citrus, this coffee is like sipping on history itself. It's grown at high altitudes and processed with care to preserve its vibrant flavors. This is the cup for those who seek balance and complexity. Next, the legendary Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. Known for its incredible smoothness, this coffee is all about luxury. Low in bitterness and with hints of chocolate, nuts, and mild fruit, it's a cup that feels like silk on your palate. But be warned, the exclusivity comes with a price. It's one of the most expensive coffees in the world. If you want to experience a coffee that bursts with flavor, Panama Geisha is where it's at. This unique variety is known for its floral aroma, tea-like body, and exotic fruit flavors. It's a coffee that tastes like no other, complex, exciting, and unforgettable. The kind of coffee that turns casual drinkers into connoisseurs. If bold, earthy flavors are more your style, then Sumatra Mandeling will blow your mind. Grown in the volcanic soils of Indonesia, this coffee is rich, full-bodied, and low in acidity. It's dark, mysterious, and perfect for those who love their coffee with intensity. The world of coffee is vast and diverse. From the fruity notes of Ethiopian Yirgacheffe to the smoothness of Jamaican Blue Mountain, these coffees tell stories, offer experiences, and remind us why coffee is such a beloved drink across the globe. So, which coffee will you try next? Remember, life's too short to drink bad coffee, so make your next cup one of the best.